let's have a look at the dollar index. So as a whole, what the dollar index is that it is an index of what dollar is doing against the other pairs. So it's interesting to see what, as a whole, what is dollar doing. So this index tells you what we see right now is that let's start from here. So first it went down, then obviously it went up during March, and then after it pulled back from there, it almost looked like it was going to go sideways and then continue up. But exactly like so if you look at mostly the dollar based currency, let's say a dollar CAD, you'd see it's exactly like similar kind of chart, apart from this bit here. If you go to the dollar Swizzy, it's a slightly different story, but right now it's kind of similar going down. If we go to dollar yen, which would be an indicator, a strongest indicator of what actually the value of dollar is, but at the same time, it's the value of yen as well. So it kind of did similar stuff, but putting all of these dollar-based movement and New Zealand dollar, because it's the USD is on this side, so it's going to be the opposite. As we can see, it came down and then it went up. Looks almost similar, the opposite of the dollar index. So that's what it is. It's an indication of all of those. But on the dollar index itself, what you can see is what I see now is a 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4 up. And if this is true, then we can see it going down further. This is a pattern that I call the PC. And the reason I call it the PC is because of this. So let's count the waves, right? So we have 1, just visually, that's 2, and that's 4. So 5 is going to come somewhere around here. Now, if we want to expand this, I'm just going to put a box here just to indicate the area, right? I want to expand this area into around 100 bars. That's based on the concept of the 10-second Elliott's wave. Link is in the description. So if well, I'm not going to get a breakdown of this because this is only available on the daily chart. But if I could, I would break this, which is let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. I will split that to show me at least 100 candles. And inside you will see an ABC. So let's see which one looked more like it. It was probably this one. Well, not this one. Okay, so let's go to the dollar yen. Does it look like this? No, it's a little bit different. We can go to the Swizzy chart. Now, it shows me that there's a 3 down and a 4 sideways, but it doesn't show me that ABC up there. But this one does, sort of, and it's the opposite. It's an inverse of the dollar index because the USD is on the right side. So if we go to the 4-hour chart, we'll see the pattern, which is A, B, and a C, which makes it a very good buy, as I posted in my previous video. So it's kind of a similar setup. What we see here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I can draw on this as well. So let's say a 1 and a 2, 3, 4. 5 will be somewhere there, and we can pinpoint it by using this tool. So we'll start it here, up to here. So most probably it's going to come to the fib 62, and that is what it is. So based on this, we went to the 4-hour chart, and we took a trade here, and the target would obviously be up there. And so that's what it's doing. So let's going back to the dollar index. What we see clearly is a 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside we have A, B, and a C, and 5 comes here. Let's see if the fib expansion agrees with us. Yes, exactly. So it looks like this down move is probably going to end around here, but it will have to deal with these levels as well. So that's the dollar index. And based on this, we can actually trade the other markets, which we have the dollar Swizzy, dollar CAD. As you can see, we are short on this on the 4-hour chart. It's a setup 1. We have a 3 and a 4. You go short here, add on here, and you have the dollar yen. The dollar yen is also going down. So we were short here, and we got kicked out on this spike up and didn't get a chance to actually go short here, but I could go short right now, but it's a little bit late now for me. But we're already short on the Swizzy and the dollar CAD, so that covers the dollar. And so that's the dollar. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.